Alright, so I'm gonna give you a quick update on the oil leak, and then right after this it'll be the clips for the exhaust comparisons. Like I said, I'd do. It's not a ride along, it's just the bike idling, me giving it some revs with the stock exhaust, and then the S&S Grand National with and without the DV killer, so you guys can hear the differences. It sounds really good without the DV killer, and it sounds really good with the DV killer. So that's just your preference, what you prefer. I've been riding it with it in for now. I haven't really noticed a power difference between the two. But yeah, anyway, oil leak. Let's see. I don't really think it's an oil leak. I do think it might be residual. I've wiped it up since I've gotten it back from the dealership. They didn't find anything in the dealership. They just said to put it back in the service until the 1,000-mile service, and then go from there, reevaluate it, and see if it's leaking again. But other than that, I haven't seen anything else. There's nothing else that's been out of the ordinary. I did have one instance where I started the bike up, I left, I rode, made 2 turns, and then the bike shut off randomly by itself. I have no idea why I did it. I restarted and went on about my day, and it's been fine ever since. So, but yeah, I haven't had any other no start issues or anything like that. Obviously, my handlebar hasn't broken off like some of the reports have said as of yet, but I haven't really been pulling on my handlebars or anything like that, so I don't know. I haven't been trying to wheelie it or anything, so yeah, that hasn't happened to me at all. But other than that, everything has been fine. Yeah, I have no issues yet as of yet. I do think I'm gonna pull this heat shield off, and I'm going to do a heat wrap just on this small little bit of section of pipe, and then put the heat shield back on, and I'm sure that'll alleviate some of the heat that I'm getting on the inside of my leg. It has this little deflect heat shield back here, but that thing just, it's obviously not doing enough for the amount of heat that it's putting off, and I don't think it helps either that literally the cat in the pipe is like right here, so it's in that same vicinity, but I'm mainly feeling it right here in this area. So hopefully that heat wrap will do the trick. But yeah, I'll probably do a little video on that later, because I think I got some heat wrap over there and somewhere in one of my cabinets, so I'll probably put the heat wrap on there, and then obviously I probably won't be able to tell until the weather gets hot again, because that's when I noticed it, when the weather was still warm. So but anyway, I'll go ahead and insert these clips, the footage in for the exhaust comparisons, and tell me what you guys think. Hope you like it. I'll keep putting more videos out about it, because I do have more things that I'm going to put on this. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm out, and enjoy the footage.